guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. Grace is actually making dinner right now. She's making some sogogi mukbang, which is, we eat this a lot. I feel like you guys eat this on my channel all the time. But beef radish soup and all these different kinds of banchan, mostly for Eela. But these banchans are gonna be versatile for both adults and for kids. Like anyone would like them. I have these quail eggs here. Ta-da! Don't they look so cool? So I'm gonna give these a boil, not for long. Let's see how long. For 3 minutes, it says. I'm just gonna boil these for 3 minutes in water. I'm gonna leave this on room temp while the water comes to boil. And then we'll make this soy sauce based sauce and kind of cook it longer in there. And it's a really good banchan. So let's begin. Add some water to this. A little bit of mirin, cane sugar, oh no, I think I cracked one. Our first banchan. So I'm gonna let this cool and then I'll stick it into the fridge once it's come to room temp. So we're gonna do a quick commercial break here. Today's video is brought to you by Moonkie. Moonkie has the most adorable baby products on their website. Grace has always been a fan of Moonkie. They have everything from toys to baby food storage and plates. But since summer is coming up, I have the perfect thing to show you guys, the perfect thing for you guys to get for your little ones. So we have the gift box here. Eela actually has this. Grace bought it herself because she's really into aesthetic things and she loved it. Last year when we went to Punta Cana, I probably have footage on this. Last year when we went to Punta Cana, we brought this beach toy set on our family trip and Eela had a blast. Not only Eela, but my other cousins too, Enoch and Kelly. Look at how cute this is. Like, how can you not like this? You have a little bucket, your sand shovel, little molds for the sand. Got a little rake here. These are adorable. We have fruit molds. Look how cute these are. The colors are just, I don't even have to talk about it. So with summer coming up, you're gonna be taking more trips to the pool with your kids or to the beach or on family vacation. If you look on their website, they have multiple colors. All the colors are beautiful. This is crafted from durable 100% food grade platinum silicone. So this set outlasts any plastic sets that you could get for, you know, super easy at any store around you. It's free of BPS, phthalates, lead, and it's safe for your little one's environment. So it's 100% free from BPA, like I said, BPS, PVC, phthalates, lead, and latex. I love how durable and foldable it is. If you want to bring around plastic toys, beach toys to your family vacation, it's gonna take up a lot of space, but I love that these are mendable and foldable, that you can just shove it into your suitcase. Since it's crafted from durable silicone, it eliminates any sharp edges and cracked plastics, and it stands up to the heat, the sun, the salt water, garage storage, wherever you decide to put it. And it's just perfect for your little one's adventures for the summer. If you look online, they have a luxe box or a standard box. And the luxe box is when they give it to you in something like this, but it just looks really nice. And if you're gonna gift it to someone, you might as well just pay the $10 and you don't have to waste time and money trying to figure out the packaging for it, because it just comes like this. We're calling all the sandcastle lovers and the adventure lovers to go ahead and check out Moonkie's beach toy sets, because it'll last you years of fun in the sand and wherever you go. to the swimming pool and to the beach, like in Punta Cana. Okay? Ta-da!
Like we white one?
Yeah!
Oh, I think this is kind of different.
It's a little different, right?
Right. But what's this?
That's to go like this with the sand.
Okay.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
You're happy? Ella, and look at all of this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yay! Wow! Next, we're going to make fish cake banchan. So I got this that has multiple different types of fish cakes. I'm boiling up some water so we can just blanch real quick in case there's any impurities. And then we'll stir fry it in like a soy sauce based sauce, basically the same as the quail egg sauce. Are you being silly? Normally I add some garlic and green onions and all of that to it, but because this is kind of for Ella, I'm not gonna add it. If she sees green, she's like, I don't wanna eat it. So I'm not gonna add that. I'm not gonna add garlic so that the taste of it isn't like so super strong. And it's just gonna be more like simple and classic. Okay guys, this is gonna be the last one. I'm literally finishing all 3 banchans in an hour. Like, it's so easy to make. The longest thing was peeling the quail egg. But we're going to make these checkered spam and tofu, I don't know what to call them, chon. But it's really easy to make and it's like fun, it looks fun. So that's why I think it tastes good. In order to add a little bit more protein, I think tofu will be the perfect additive. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to make it. I've made this on the channel before, but never on a long form video. So let's go. Give her some. This here. Da, 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 da. Look, it's an egg.